Howdy everybody, and welcome back to the storage room at Health Force Kentucky. We have another product to show you today. It's called a Syndaver or synthetic cadaver. This is the dry version. We also have wet versions available. They have to stay in the same location though because they are in a very large tank of liquid. This particular model is great for showing gross anatomy, not meaning yucky, but more of the large anatomy components. So you can see that he's got muscle structures that are able to be identified. He does have teeth and a tongue. He does not have an intubatable airway, but he has all of the major muscle structures in the neck. The blue is representing the veins, red is representing the arteries. He has the major muscles on the front and the back, so pectoris minor, pectoris major, deltoids through his biceps, white representing the nerves, blue for the veins, and red for the arteries. He does have some articulation in his joints, however, we ask that you not force anything. The white in his hands are representing the tendons. He does have some articulation in his elbow, wrist, and shoulder. However, if you force anything, you do have the opportunity to actually tear or remove the stitches from the material as well. He has a rectus abdominis that can be unfolded, and then we get into the abdominal cavity. So he has a diaphragm, his liver and gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, spleen on the left side. Down inside, he's got the right and left kidneys, the inferior vena cava, and aorta. The students are able to gently remove the large intestines and also the small intestines. He does have a small representing appendix. There is a bladder. This is the male version. We have 2 females and 1 male in our fleet of Syndavers, the dry Syndavers. He also has the major leg structures and major muscles in the legs, along with the ligaments, the bands, and nerves as well. He's got his popliteal, he's got his calcaneus in his heel, along with his metatarsals and tarsals in his feet. And again, you can do some manipulation. They do not articulate exactly like a human, but they are designed for more of that gross anatomy, labeling, identification. You can put the anatomy pins along with flags for testing and those type things to identify major structure or major attachment points and things like that. So this is the dry Syndaver. Again, we currently have 3 in our fleet. If you are within our 16 county region and interested in leasing or having a loan of any of the equipment, please contact healthforcekentucky.org and fill out an event, equipment, or tour request, and one of our staff members will be back with you as soon as we can.